Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is a customer has just contacted her local dry cleaner because she returned home with the dry cleaning to find there was stain on order dress she needs for the tomorrow. How can the dry cleans best resolve the problem and keep the customer's business in the futures? The correct answer of the question is apologize and ask the customer to return the dress so they can analyze what caused the strain and clean the dress for free. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there and a session on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering. So you can thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.